Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another video episode of Shout Me Loud, and today I'm going to show you something very interesting. Today you will be learning how you can stream your existing videos on platform like Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and even LinkedIn automatically. So the idea is that you have already spent a lot of time recording a good video. What if you can stream it again automatically at a scheduled time on these platforms? Well, this is what we are going to learn today. This is going to be very interesting, especially if you are already somebody who's creating a lot of videos. You'll be saving a lot of time. At the same time, you'll be reaching out to more users. So with that, let's go ahead. Let's learn something interesting today. Alright, so there are many softwares that you can use. The one which is free and very popular is called OBS, and you can use it to stream live on Facebook, Twitter, or even on YouTube. You can use it to stream live. You can also use it to stream already recorded videos live on all these platforms. The only thing which I don't like about OBS is it requires you to be online. And then there are now better solution, like one is OneStream.live, which where you can just upload your pre-recorded videos and schedule it to go live at any time. Now in this video I'll be talking about other platform which is called Restream, which is very popular as well. Number one, what it does is it lets you stream your live video on multiple platforms at once. So that is the number one advantage. The second advantage is you can also stream your pre-recorded videos at a scheduled time, at a defined time on this platform, and let me show you how to do that. So let's go to restream.io, and if you don't have an account, feel free to create an account. I'll leave a link in the description which will help you to get some credits. And once you are on Restream, you click on dashboard. The very first thing you will be doing is you will be adding some channel. So as you can see, Restream support Facebook, Mixer, Twitch, YouTube, Periscope. So Periscope is something which is by Twitter. When you stream on Periscope, it would show up on Twitter as well. Now LinkedIn Live is currently in beta, but it should come out very soon. Same time YouTube, and then there are like multiple platforms. A lot of them I'm not even aware what do they do. Seems like they are mostly related to gamers. But getting back to the schedule part, which you can access by on the left side here. The very first thing you'll be doing is you'll be going to videos and adding a video that you want to add. Currently, my plan supports uploading up to 2 videos. Once that's, you can click on upload videos and then upload any videos that you want to upload. Now then you click on events. You can click on schedule event. Then select the title of the video. Select the video that you want to stream. So in this case, we only have one video which is pre-selected. Now select the time and date. So let's say it's 9 July and I want to schedule it at 26, which is 2 minutes from now. Okay, so the time has to be 10 minutes from now, so let's keep it 35 or 37. Now the next thing is to select all the channel on which you want to stream live. So let's select that. Do you want to repeat or you don't want to repeat? So in our case, we don't want to repeat. And then select the streaming location. So if you should select the location which is nearest to your place. In my case, it's by default selected India, Bangalore. Once it's all done, click on schedule live event. And that's it. The event is scheduled. Now at this time, this tool will automatically stream your video on all the selected platform. As simple as that. And you can schedule everything in advance for next few months or few days, depending on how you want to schedule your pre-recorded videos. Now this is something which I've been testing for quite some time, and it's working great, especially if you have already created a lot of videos. It is a great way to stay in front of your audience, give them something meaningful, and at the same time enjoy the benefit of automation. So with that guys, I hope this added some value. I'll leave the link of Restream, OneStream Live and all other tools in the description. Do check it out. If you have any question, feel free to ask me in the comment section below. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye. This is Harsh.